Hey guys, so I got the new Geek Fuel box in last week. This is the June Geek Fuel box. I got it in last week, but last week was a busy week, so I wasn't able to open it. I finally have some time this week to go ahead and crack it open. Last week we got this awesome new shelving unit put in. You can't see it, but it goes all the way down to the wall, and it's pretty cool. We like it. We just redid the room. We painted it a nice blue hue. But that means I wasn't able to get to the Geek Fuel box last week, so I have it here this week, and I'm ready to open it. I've been waiting for so long. Ruth looked inside, and she went, cool, and I haven't even looked inside yet. I was so tempted to the other day, but I resisted the temptation and waited until I could do it here on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and crack it open and see what we have inside today. Right on top, again, we got the Geek Fuel. Of course, it is Wonder Woman themed this year. Let's see if there's anything cool in the shopping segment. Thor's hammer in a mug. A Nintendo Game Boy Color change pint glass. A Diesel Punk recycled metal giant robot. Obviously, they're thinking Transformers, but probably they don't have the right to that name. But you can buy that one for $17,000. On to the, oh nice, very cute, Baby Groot. This is adorable. Just a little plush, I guess, yeah. Just a little plush from the Marvel collection, and I got Baby Groot, and that is awesome. I'll set him right there for right now, so you guys can look at him the rest of the time. We got a long box. What comes in this one? Oh, cool. Just a poster from the Amazing Spider-Man. Don't know if you can't really see it all, but it's got some villains, and it's got Spider-Man right there in the middle. Very cool poster. Pretty excited about that. I'll have to figure out where I can hang that one up. Have to frame it first. I don't know. Can you get a frame this long? Like, that's a little ridiculous. That's like 2 foot by like 6 inches. So I don't know. I don't know if I'll be able to get a frame that long. This is a certificate. It comes with a certificate of authenticity. So, you know, it's official. It's authentic. Oh, nice. So the pin this month is Mario Kart themed. So that is pretty awesome. I got Yoshi. It's pretty cool. I like Mario Kart. I like Mario Kart when there's other people playing. I'm not a fan playing by myself. That's how I play most games, though, is with other people. Super Smash Brothers, love playing that with other people. Hate playing it by myself. The game this month is Deponia. Deponia? We'll check that out in a little bit. I'm pretty excited to check that one out. Ooh, this one has a shiny cover. I don't know what's in here. Blast from the Past. Let's check it out. Is it a comic book? No, sport. Oh goodness, it is Sports Almanac from. I mean, it's just a notebook. It's an empty notebook, but from Back to the Future. That is. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, and this must be the bag that it comes in Back to the Future. So if you remember in Back to the Future 2, Marty McFly goes to the future. Old Biff buys a sports almanac, takes it back to young Biff, and uses this to get rich. Anyway, it's just an empty notebook, which is pretty cool. I'm going to have to add that to my collection. I was looking for a notebook to kind of do some brainstorming in, and I might just end up using this. So I'm going to slip that right back in there and keep it close to my heart so I can use it to get rich someday. Now it's time for the t-shirts, which I am always a fan of. This one is Space Invaders, 1978. I'm pretty sure it's a video game, like one of the old arcade games. Might have to do some research on that, but anyway, shirt looks cool. Little old style shirt with Space Invaders. I'll have to throw this on and wear it around a little bit because I always like a new t-shirt. Let's see what the game looks like. Alright guys, so I downloaded Deponia and I'm ready to play it. But first I'll try to read the description real quick. Acting out his meager existence in the land of Deponia, a place that is effectively a giant dump, Rufus longs for a way to find himself living in the land of the rich, high above the clouds and away from the garbage. Fate smiles upon the rascally Rufus in the form of Gold, a beautiful woman from the land of the wealthy. Upon returning Gold to her own world and her husband, he discovered her betrothed is a dead ringer for himself and hatches a dastardly plan. Alas, his feelings for Gold get in the way, and now it's up to you to help the poor boy from the junkyard land the girl of his dreams. So, got it open. There's a few options here on the screen, so we're just going to go ahead and start a new game and see what happens. Choose your inventory mode. Inventory per click, classic mode, inventory per mouse wheel. Let's give that a shot. I don't know.
Huh? What is it now? Wasn't the game supposed to have started already?
Yeah, well, yes. But the junk press broke down, and we thought we'd use the time for a little tutorial.
Who thought that? I don't need no stinking tutorials.
So how are you going to fix the junk press?
Just watch me and learn.
Maybe you want to listen to what I have to say first?
But you don't have anything to say.
Oh, come on. It won't be long. Just point the cursor at me and left-click.
We'll see about that.
I would be reading normally, but they did the talking, so...
Computer, talk to Wenzel.
You don't have to say that explicitly.
Who's talking to you?
Why, you are. You clicked on me.
Smarty pants. Just tell me what's wrong with the junk press. And stop wiggling your feet.
It's pressing only very gently now and doesn't really squish sufficiently.
Hey, every idiot can see that.
Well, why don't you present the tutorial then?
Okay, piece of cake. But first, I'll explain, how to look at an object.
I know that.
I see. And how?
I point my cursor at it and right-click when I see the eye icon.
Well, the theory is easy, but how about the actual practice?
Hey, this is your tutorial.
You're a cop-out, but be that as it may, I'll demonstrate. Do you see that little thingy on the floor over there? I will now use the tongue icon.
The eye icon.
Yeah, I will now click on it, thusly having a look at it. So you better watch closely.
Actually, I'm going to do that. He's not going to do a thing.
What's that?
It's a cathode plunger.
Thanks for the input, Wenzel, but I recognize a hydro clamp duplexer when I see one. Too bad I can only look at it. A duplexer like that could be useful.
You can pick it up. You just have to point your cursor at it so the hand icon appears. If you left-click now, you'll pick it up.
There has to be an easier way.
If you say so.
Okay, I picked up the duplexer, but what am I supposed to do with it now?
You put it into your inventory. That's where all the items go. You've picked up that object. Now you can open your inventory by using your mouse wheel.
Hey, there it is.
Correct. This is your inventory.
Yeah, I knew that.
It's where you can see what you're carrying around. You still know how to do that, don't you?
Look, Wenzel, I'm almost done.
Impressive. But I mean that.
Spare part.
It fits.
Inconspicuous.
Now you have to-
Hey, you don't have to spoon feed me. I'll manage the
Inconspicuous.
rest.
If
Spot.
you say so. Rufus, there's one more thing.
I told you I'd manage without your help. Now, all I have to do is press this button here, and right away...
Oh, how I love tutorials.
I just got crushed.
It's kind of pathetic, you get all erratic about dirty dishes congesting the sink. I'm tired of your bothers, remember our fathers that dwelled in a world filled with rubbish and stink. But when all hope was lost, someone raised from the dust. He was handsome and cunning, his haircut had style, courage was shining in his eyes as he said, screw you guys, mind your own business, I'm off now, goodbye. Huzzah, he's off now, goodbye.
I like it.
Junk. Junk.
You live in a junkyard, dude.
And more junk.
Yeah, you live in a junkyard.
A life of order and happiness. Oh, my bad. That was junk, too. Well, that does it. I need to leave this dump. Unfortunately, this time my plan is foolproof. This time, everything
Good
will
luck.
work out. Where did I put my list? Heck, I really have to get away from this junkyard. It really is time I got out of here.
Sorry. Can I pick it up?
Ah, there's my
Oh,
list.
just open it. Aha!
Let's see. Seems like I've packed almost everything I need. All I need now are some provisions. The toothbrush, a pair of socks, and a bolt cutter. A bolt cutter? What the... Well, guess I must have had a reason to put it on the list.
Can't tell if he's talking to me or himself. If he's talking to himself, it's a little scary.
My old escape plans. Some of them weren't half bad. This could be useful. The oil is rancid. I could use it for hair wax. The best thing about it is the can.
Okay. Take it then.
My father left me a trunk before he left me. I don't want to open it. I don't want to be disappointed yet again. All
Open
my
the
father
trunk.
left me, besides alone, was this stupid wooden trunk. Then he left Deponia without me. My father left me a trunk before he left me. I don't want to open it. I don't want to be disappointed yet again.
Open this stupid trunk.
My
There's probably
father left me
something.
a trunk before he left me. I don't want to open it. I don't want to be disappointed yet again.
Stop whining. First aid kit. I will take that.
Locked. Tony
What?
must have the key.
Tony must have the key. Alright, hey, it's Tony's room. Alright, I'll go in there in a second.
Another note from Tony. Well, what's she complaining about now? Will you please clean the bathroom for once? Yeah, right. In her dreams.
I don't even want to go in there. Do I want to go in there?
Whoa! What the? The toothbrush bailed out on me. Guess I should have kept it in a more germ-free environment.
Well, that's awkward. Bolt cutters. Detergent. I don't know. Oh, it's not that bad. Looks pretty clean for, a junkyard. Alright. What's in Tony's room?
What?
Oh,
Whoa,
snap.
what's that? A guillotine so I won't enter her room? Whoa!
That's exactly what
That
that
girl
is.
has issues. I honestly wonder why we were ever together. At all. Stay out of my room. You have no business in there anymore. Who does Tony think she is? I've got better things to do than rummage through her drawers.
Except you need the key that you just said Tony has. So...
Come on, brushy, brushy, brushy. Come to Papa. Oh, crap. I need a better plan to catch it.
Really?
Do the dishes already. They won't do themselves. Oh, yeah? Well, I'll take that chance.
I mean, the toothbrush is moving by itself, so... I feel like there's a good chance the dishes might actually do themselves. I'm just picking up a bunch of random crap.
What gnat's piss? Ugh. You scoffed all the food yet again, and I keep finding your crap in the fridge. What the hell's wrong with you? Huh? I don't understand the question.
Oh yeah, look, sock. I needed that. And a coat.
I'll have a quick look. See if I can find something useful in the pockets.
There you go.
Hey, there really was something in there. A sock. Cool.
So now I have 2 socks?
Well, I think that's all. Should be enough. No, I haven't finished packing yet.
You just don't want to go anywhere. Crumbs on the sofa.
Seems there are still some wasabi peas in there. But without something to put them into, I'm not collecting them.
You have a sock?
You're not supposed to eat on the sofa. I keep finding leftovers in it. Huh? Well, isn't that a good thing?
Can I look in there? Nope, can't look in there. You can just open and close it. Close. Open. Okay. Can I walk? I can't walk around. No, so this is just a point and click. Okay. So what do I have? List. Ah, jeez, I just want to look at it. I got that. I need a toothbrush. Provisions, so I could use. Hold on. I got the jar. What do I do? Okay. I got the jar. Can I empty it? Where is it?
The oil is rancid, but I could use it for hair wax. The best thing about it is the can.
Right. So how do I get rid of the oil inside of it? Detergent, hand torch, a bunch of notes.
Well, this detergent is supposed to get rid of oil stains. Yeah, who needs that?
I don't know what to do at this point.
Let's get rid of this thing.
There we go. There we go. Now I have. Yes. Okay. So now you come back over here.
Seems there are still some wasabi peas in there. But without something to put them into, I'm not collecting them. Seems there are still some wasabi peas in there. I guess these will make good provisions for the journey.
Oh, that's disgusting. Okay. So I have provisions. I have socks. I have the bolt cutters. I just need that toothbrush. But I don't know. Let's go back up to the dark corner.
Come on, brushy, brushy, brushy. Come to Papa. Oh, crap. I need a better plan to catch it.
Oh, there's a closet. Okay, let's go to the closet. Maybe I missed something in there.
Yes. Huh. Not a chance. The handle is missing and I can't get my fingers into the cracks.
Fork?
Huh. Not a chance. Although I can reach inside the crack, I don't have enough leverage.
I feel like I am missing something, which is typical when I play point-and-click games. Hopefully I can find it. I'm going to go back into my room real quick and see if I missed it in there, maybe. Oh, wait, there's a plunger. There's a plunger. I'm going to grab the... No, go back downstairs. Dummy. I'm going to get the plunger. Okay. Thanks for that. Now, come back down here to the closet. We'll use the plunger on the closet door. There it is.
Ouch!
Now I can probably use the mouse trap to catch the fork. The fork.
Nah, I don't think this will work without the right bait.
The right bait? The right bait for a toothbrush? What is the right bait for a toothbrush? Provisions.
Not a chance. I bust my butt to get this stuff out of the sofa cracks. I haven't worked that hard for food in years.
Okay, go with sock.
Now the little bugger's in for a surprise.
Okay. I guess that actually makes sense.
Come on, brushy, brushy, brushy. Come to Papa. Ha! Gotcha! Ha! Gotcha! I'll make you suffer the next time I brush my teeth.
Alright, so I got the toothbrush, I got provisions, I've got socks and a bolt cutter. Let's see if that's all I need. Maybe I need to put it in my suitcase. Or I can just go. I wonder if I can just go.
I should find the matching sock first. I don't want to show up in Elysium dressed like an idiot.
You've got to be kidding me.
Pink bedroom.
What's this? A sock? That explains why I've had such cheesy dreams.
Do I have... Was that the right... Was that it? No, I have a yellow, a blue... Press spacebar. Holy cow, I can see everything I can look in. Whoa, okay, so Ruth just looked up. Hold on, get socks. Look at one of the 3 socks in inventory. Ruth wants a pair of socks. Place the pot with water on hot plate of oven. Okay, hold on. Take the pot, put it on the hot plate. Done, okay. Open the oven. Placed a bunch of notes inside. Alright, I will definitely burn these notes. Put them
In you go.
He even laughed. Use the hand torch on the memos notes in the oven to get the fire. Okay. Hand torch. Yes, okay, so now we're working. Hold on. Use detergent on the pot on the top of the stove. The water bubbles. Alright, detergent. See, this is why I was never good at these games. Alright, now we're working. Place the 3 socks in the boiling soapy water. Alright, sock number 1.
I may not be an expert, but I'm sure I need a hot wash.
There's 1. One of these socks is probably going to turn a different
I
color.
may not be an expert, but I'm sure I need a hot wash.
Alright, okay. Use fork to agitate the washings. The color of the socks change and one sock is lost. Automatically get a pair of socks. Alright, cool.
Whoa, look at that. The sock changed color. Who would have thought it? But where's the other one? Clear case of subtractive color mixing. Ouch! Damn it! That's hot!
Wait, did I get I got a pair of socks. Wow, okay. So, this is why I have trouble with these games. Because there's so many different steps you have to take to get things going. But I think... I have everything I need. I wonder if I can leave now.
No, I haven't finished packing yet.
But you have everything. Well, I guess I actually do have to put it, hold on, let's see, put it in the suitcase. Yeah, put that in the
Socks?
suitcase.
Check.
Okay, put the toothbrush in the suitcase.
Toothbrush. Check.
Alright, put the provisions in the suitcase.
Provisions. Check.
And put the bolt cutters in the suitcase.
Bolt cutter, for whatever reason. Check. Ha! Seems like I've packed everything.
Okay, I gotta unpack something. What do I need to unpack? Toothbrush?
It doesn't take that much space. I'll never be able to close the suitcase with a monster like that in there. I mean, I won't need a bolt cutter where I'm going. I wonder why it was on the list in the first place.
You're gonna need a bolt cutter.
Now it fits. Packed and ready to go.
Definitely gonna need a bolt cutter.
I think I just strained something.
Hey, Rufus, you should save your energy for the unavoidable drop into the abyss.
Yeah, thanks, Wenzel. You can save your sarcasm for someone less well-prepared than me. This time, I took everything into account. It'll be a stroll in the park.
Ah, That's what you said last time. It took us days to remove the cactus spikes from your butt, remember?
That's all toxic runoff under the bridge. This time, everything will work out. And when finally an Elysian orbit pixie massages my back, I'll ask her to pause for a minute so I can laugh about you.
Whatever. But say, can I have your stuff when you're gone?
Yeah, sure, help yourself.
As if anything on this dump is valuable.
It's time for me to leave all this behind.
Great. I hope you remembered to calibrate the harpoon.
I'll do that later, after I've stored everything in the pod.
Well, then hurry up. Well, you know that the Organon are always on time.
Okay. So I think that'll be it for this time. I'm packed. I'm ready to go. Hopefully. Okay, cool. I was trying to save it, but it just went to the main menu. I can continue the game next time. See what happens then. I know it took me a long time to figure that stuff out, but hopefully next time I'll do a little bit better. Let me know how I did down in the comments. If you liked it, make sure you press that like button and subscribe for more entertaining videos like this one, even though I did horribly. See you next time.